So how do you reset time on the Apple Watch? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so there might be more things happening which kind of like mess up your time. The first one is when you go to the settings app of the Apple Watch, then find the clock section right away. You can see that we have the ability to adjust the time right here. So you can see the plus minutes. And if you have it set to like more minutes, then it will just like shift the clock of the Apple Watch. So all of the alerts and notifications will still come in at the correct time, but only the time affected by this is shown on your watch faces, right? So it will be kind of weird, like, because you can see like a different time setup. But yeah, you can change it by making sure that your time is set up properly so you don't add any minutes or anything like that, right? Another thing would be to make sure you grab the iPhone and go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, and then check out the date and time, because obviously the iPhone and Apple Watch are connected, so you want to make sure that the time is set properly in terms of the time zone, but also I personally prefer it to be set automatically because, you know, no matter which location I happen to be in, it sets the time right. So that's how it would work. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to reset your time in the Apple Watch. If there is something else going on, just share it below in the comments. Perhaps me or someone else might answer it for you. But stay tuned by subscribing and make sure you never miss anything important.